guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair. Okay, let me ask you one question today. What do you think when it comes into your mind that, oh, I desperately want to cheat? What do you feel like eating? I'm sure you feel like eating a biryani. So today we are doing a keto chicken biryani. Let's quickly go and see the ingredients. Hi guys, today we are doing a keto biryani. Ingredients for the same are 100 grams grated or finely chopped cauliflower, 2 tablespoons desi ghee, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic minced, 1 cup coriander and fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt or hung yogurt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch and turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of saffron. So I've taken lukewarm water and dissolved some saffron strands into the same, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can also use fresh lemon. Here I have mixed condiments, that would be jeera, kasuri methi, dalchini, tejpatta, long, elaichi and mace. For the exact amount of quantity, you can look into the description below. Lastly, I have some kevra water. So here we have 150 grams of marinated chicken. I have used here peri peri powder, which is available on Amazon. Plus I've added some garlic during the marination. First we have here is clarified butter. So we have 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, that is desi ghee. To that I'm going to add my condiments, which is bay leaf. Then I have some chopped ginger garlic, I have peppercorns, then I have jeera, then I have clove, then I have kasuri methi here, then I have mace, and then I have red chili powder. So all of it goes at one time. Now we're going to just stir the same, and you see a nice beautiful color is out. To this, without waiting for much longer, we're going to add our already marinated chicken. So I have marinated the chicken with garlic, salt and peri peri powder. You can see the below link and you'll come to know which peri peri powder I have used. There you go. Now we're going to cook the chicken for the next 5 minutes because cauliflower does not take long to cook. So we're going to cook the chicken. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. You can also use hung yogurt if you want. And now we're going to put a lid and cook the chicken because the chicken would take approximately 5 to 8 minutes to be well done and cooked nicely. And our chicken is well done now. So you can see the chicken has left the ghee and it's well done. Now we're going to add the last few ingredients. So here goes first the pink Himalayan salt, that's here. Next I'm going to add is my coriander and mint leaves, again a handful of them. And last I'm going in for my cauliflower. And lastly, before I'm going to put the lid on, I'm going to add my saffron water. I've also added 1 tablespoon of lemon water to it and half a teaspoon of kevra water to it. So here goes our saffron, and we're going to cook the same for the next 5 to 8 minutes. And our authentic chicken biryani is ready. So it looks yum. And I'm going to now mix the chicken, and if you have little water which is still there, you can put it on high flame and open and keep it and let it dry. So our chicken biryani is done. So our keto chicken biryani is ready. The benefits of the same: super easy, super quick to make, cooks in less than 15 to 20 minutes if you have all ingredients in place. Second, a super healthy meal loaded with all the nutrients what you want. So it's loaded with fats and good amounts of protein at the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. Lastly, please share the channel with as many friends and people as possible. Thank you. Looking forward to see you next time.